Hello everyone, welcome to Pear's channel. By watching our past video, we can know that our damper can be installed in the toilet seat, kitchen furniture, kettle, coffee machine, etc. Now this video will tell more applications. For washing machine, we recommend T098E and T095C. These two damper models are very popular in the washing machine market. If you want to know how to install the damper into the washing machine lid, welcome to check our past video. For trash can, we recommend linear damper and T068. If you want to know how to install the damper into the trash can, also please check our past video. For rice cooker, we recommend T021A. Welcome to watch our past video to see the connection between rice cooker and damper. For screen window, we recommend T058 and T065. A video which explains the connection between screen windows and the rotary dampers will come soon. Thanks for watching this video. To get our damper catalog, welcome to visit our company website.